friends, welcome back to a new vlog. It's been way too long since I filmed a vlog. I actually filmed a vlog at the end of December but didn't post it because I didn't have time to edit it, and then I thought it was too late. And then in January my son was sick, I was sick. I'm still recovering, as you can maybe hear by my voice. So that is why I haven't really vlogged that much lately. But today is Monday, February 2nd. It is now 10:30 in the morning. I just made myself a coffee. I dropped off my son at school. I don't know if I have vlogged ever since he started going to school, but he started going in November. And I'm happy to report he really loves school. The goodbyes in the mornings are still a little bit hard for him. He cries almost daily when I drop him off. But he actually really loves going to school. Last Friday there was actually like a little party / get together at his school, and he had such a blast. On the agenda for today, I need to do some laundry. I also need to pack 2 online orders. Oh, and then I also want to film a short form video with my monthly updates. So that is also something that I need to do today. But to start off my day right, I am drinking my morning latte in my Ralph's coffee mug, which I got from London. So I'm just going to finish my coffee and then we will get started on everything that we need to get done today. The laundry is drying right now, and I already pulled everything that I need for the online orders. It's actually 2 bol.com orders, and they both ordered the same candle, the amethyst candle. So let's wrap that up real quick. Alright, we're making moves. Laundry is done. Packages are packed up right behind me, and I also packed up this custom order that I received over the weekend. This person ordered 10 custom candles. Let me show you what they look like. So she ordered, I think these are like thank you gifts for a team that took care of someone, I think. So she ordered 10 large candles in frosted matte white glass jars with a cotton wick, and the scent that she chose is cozy. And then this is what the candle label looks like. So it is in Dutch and it says bedankt voor de goede zorgen, which basically means thank you for taking care of us, basically. So I finished these candles yesterday and I packaged them up. I put each of the candles in one of our cotton bags and then I gave her a few samples. a little gift, a little Valentine's Day gift. So this customer is going to be picking this up tomorrow in store. And then later today, I need to drop these packages off at the post office. And then also tonight, I'm actually meeting up with some friends for dinner. So now I'm going to take a quick little break and then we'll continue on with finishing some candles. Alright, I just got done filming my video. It was actually talking about the sales of January and then also the goals for February. I have my iPad right here, and as you guys can see, for January we hit the goal that I wanted to hit. So I wanted to do 1,200 euros and 14 orders, and this is what I actually did. So 1,765 euros and 30 orders. So I more than doubled the sales that I did in 2025, which I am so happy about. And then for February, this is what I did in 2025. So for this year, I again want to at least double that. So that is a little update that I just filmed. Now I'm going to edit that video, and then it is probably almost time for lunch. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon and my mom is actually going to pick me up. We're going to go eat some pancakes and get a little coffee. So I'm actually just putting on my coat and getting ready. If you are wondering, my coat is from Zara, as well as my sweater, and then my jeans are from Abercrombie. I just got home from going to grab some waffles with my mom, and I picked up Jack from school.
Oh.
Hallo.
Hallo.
Toon maar.
Hallo. Hallo.
Toon een keer hoe dat er in je eentje zat.
Hallo.
Hallo. Is het een lekker eentje?
Ja.
Wauw.
Nee, dat is het ijsje.
Ah nee, wat is dat dan?
Dat is chocola.
Ah, oké.
Nee, dat is chocola.
Good morning, friends. It is the next day today, and I thought I would turn this into like a week in my life vlog. So I'm going to continue vlogging today and a couple of days this week. But today I have to leave and go to the store in Bruges. It is now 9:45, so I am getting ready and I will see you when I arrive in Bruges. I just got in my car. I am ready to go. I'm going to drop off some packages at the post office, but this weather is actually disgusting. I am craving warm weather and sunshine like no other. But I'm going to go to the post office now. Then I need to drop off some things at the store, and then I also have a shift at the store. And tonight we actually have the first, how do you call it in English? Like a little get together with Jack's teacher to talk about how he is doing at school. So yeah, very fun and exciting day today. It is another beautiful day today. It is Wednesday today. It's actually almost 5 o'clock in the evening. I just parked my car and I am on my way to the shop to host a candle making workshop. Alright, it is almost 6:30. I just got done preparing everything for the workshop. Let me show you what it looks like. So this is the table. We are a group of 6 tonight, and again it is Valentine's Day themed, so hence the little heart chocolates and the little Valentine's Day details. Everyone should be arriving at 6:30, which is in about half an hour, so wish me luck.
Bedankt maar luister.
It is the next day today. It is Thursday, and as you can see, I am back in the store. Yesterday night I had the candle making workshop, and they actually also purchased a lot of items from the store. So I am now restocking everything that I sold yesterday, and I also prepared the candles for pickup that they made yesterday. So today I have a lot of computer work. So it won't be a very exciting day today, I think. But tomorrow I work from home. I think I'm going to make some wax melts and then also start on my spring collection. I do have to pick up my son at 3 tomorrow, so we don't have all day. We went to his school for his evaluation and he is doing amazing at school, which I always knew he did, but I'm happy to hear it from his teacher as well. But yeah, lots of work to do today, a lot of computer work as well, so let's get started. Good morning, friends. It is the last day of this week's vlog. It is Sunday today. Kiekaboo. It is Sunday today. I just got ready. I'm not wearing any makeup or haven't done my hair, but we're actually about to leave and head on over to my mom's for breakfast. And when I say we, I mean Alex, Jack, and me. He has been playing with his stamps this morning. Kiekaboo. And then once we get back, Jack is actually going to stay at my mom's so that I can have a work day today. I have an online order to pack. I have a few things to make. Then in the afternoon, there's also a B2B client that is stopping by to pick up a few things. So yeah, I'm currently working on some wax melts for the spring collection. These are going to be the violet candy wax melts. I also have some purple glitter. And whilst I wait on the wax to melt, I'm going to do some computer work. I need to design a couple of labels, and then I also need to print out everything that I need for an online order, which we're going to pack later on. So again, a very busy and productive day today.